Hello. In this video, we are going to follow the steps to get the inPerson app from Microsoft AppSource and make it available in Microsoft Teams. The apps made available through Microsoft Teams are not hosted in Teams directly, but in a separate application. In our case, inPerson is hosted in SharePoint. To set up the environment, we are going to get the app from Microsoft Source, install it in SharePoint, and then publish it to Teams. There are two ways you can upload the app. First one is to go to appsource.microsoft.com. And here, for example, in the search, you type inPerson and get the app. The method we're going to use today is to go directly to the SharePoint app catalog in your tenant, and from there access the SharePoint store and get the app, add it, in order for the app to be available in Microsoft Teams, I have to make the solution available to all sites in the organization. The app is now deployed to SharePoint, and you can sync it to Teams. You'll know that the sync is successful when you get this message here in the top right. One more step is still needed to complete the deployment. Because inPerson is going to access your users list and your Outlook calendar, you need to approve API access. This is done in the SharePoint Admin Center under Advanced Settings API Access. I am just going to select the different APIs and approve access. We are now done with the deployment, and your users can start adding inPerson to their Microsoft Teams.